In this video, we'll prepare the assembly for drawing generation. We'll adjust the front view and create a controlled variable for the handle position. In the previous lesson, we completed the vice assembly. If you start the linked drawings management command, you'll see there isn't a drawing linked to the assembly. Let's create it. Before creating the drawing, let's check the main view. Go to the Orientation menu in the Quick Access bar and select the front view. This isn't what we need. Let's rotate the view close to the proper position. Select the flat face and click Normal to. This view makes a proper front view. To assign this view as the front view, go to Orientation, Settings, and click Main View by Current Orientation. Stop the command. Let's check. Rotate the model to an arbitrary position. Set the front view. It's OK. Let's move the handle to the vertical position. We'll create a new mating which we'll be able to control. Double-click the crank handle in the tree. Add a new mating, Parallel. We'll make parallel the ZY plane of the handle and the ZY plane of the assembly. Use the additional trees to select the planes. Let me hide the additional tree. Confirm the command and confirm the component placement. The handle is in the vertical position. Go to the Variables panel. Find the Mating section. Open it. Find the parallel mating. Since we added it last, it's at the end of the list. Here it is. Open it. There are two variables: Orientation and Exclude from calculation. Let's add a user variable and link it with the Exclude from calculation variable. This will help us find it easier in the list of variables. Let's call this variable h_p, for example. Press Enter. Go to the top of the Variables panel. You can see our new variable here. If you try to move the handle now, this will be impossible. The reason is that the new variable equals 0, and hence the Exclude from calculation variable equals 0. It means that the parallel mating is active. I haven't deselected the variable, so I'm at the end of the list. Let me scroll it again. Let's modify the variable value to 1. We'll exclude the parallel mating from the calculation. Rebuild. Try to move the handle. It works now. Return 0. Rebuild. The handle moves to the vertical position. The vice assembly is ready for drawing generation.